How to fold the Babini Marine by Baby Move. Unclasp the Velcro on both sides of the base. Unhook all the poles from all around the bottom of the base. Mimic these hand placements seen here and face the tent away from your body and twist upwards. When you twist it, push the right side under the left side. Grab both edges with your left hand and push the remaining bottom flap over the rest of the tent. Push everything together and then put it in the carry bag as seen here. Close the bag and you're ready to go. Enjoy!